Hey, Jesse here. We get a question quite often of what is a catalytic converter and what does it do? So I'm going to answer question number one first. So a catalytic converter is to do with the exhaust system and the emissions of the vehicle. It actually is designed to take the gases that the vehicle is putting off and burn them so that the exhaust coming out of the tailpipe is clean enough to meet EPA standards. So there's all kinds of resonators and different things that's within the exhaust system. And some people might look at this component right here on this particular car on this exhaust system and think that's the catalytic converter. That's actually just a resonator. It's designed to make the car run a little bit quieter. It's designed to deal with back pressure. It's designed with all the different things that the manufacturer felt like that there had to be a change in diameter in the pipe right there. On this car, the actual catalytic converter, we have two of them, one on the very front of the engine up there and one on the very back of the engine right here. This is your oxygen sensor. This is going to be an oxygen sensor here, and this is going to be an oxygen sensor here. The oxygen sensors, the catalytic converters, they all work with the engine computer. They work with the fuel system. It works with all the different things to make this car run like it's supposed to when it's cold, to run like it's supposed to when it's hot. The oxygen sensors are going to measure to make sure that we have a different component that's failing, or that we got an injector overfueling, or we got a catalytic converter that's not properly burning out the bad gases that go into the atmosphere. So there's a lot to the system. The great news is we have all the computers and all the things to be able to connect to this car and properly assess or diagnose whenever there is a check engine light on or an emissions problem with a gas with an exhaust system or a catalytic converter.